All right.
New message from Sandy G.
It's 308, so when you get the elevator, take a left.
Okay.
Great.
Doesn't work. Too bad. Also too big. Damn. Well, this one works. Doesn't work. Heart screen doesn't work. Hey guys, just want to make a quick video of a review about this brass key. I bought this brass key from AliExpress online few weeks. I received it a few weeks ago. The wait time was long, like almost 3 months. Because I saw this a lot, I gave it to a friend who's working as a food delivery, Uber Eats and DoorDash driver, who uses a lot going into apartments, house gates, buzzing up and down. So as per the price, store claim online that this is gonna reduce a 99% contact point. I find it's not true. This is just me, because if you can see, as you can see the video I showed earlier before this, it is actually some of them works, but a lot of them did not work. I didn't show a lot of video that did not work because this open area is not big enough to go into the handle and pull. So and the pointer, it doesn't work on majority of the hard screen that is outdoor screen for the apartments. So yes, I don't believe the claim is true on 99 contact point. I do not suggest for personal use because it's too much hassle. Let's say if you were live in an apartment that has the size that works, the touchscreen that works, then you can say, yeah, you use it only 2 times when you enter the house and leaving the house on the day, just like regular key, right? Does it worth it? Maybe. But if you live in a place that doesn't fit on this at home, then it's pointless, because on outside of the street, I will say personally, it is only work 50% of the time, and that is already rating high. Okay, I don't want to say less than 50, but I give them the benefit of the doubt, because maybe the chance that I encounter or my friends who's doing delivery encounters like not fitting situation. So we went around the city, all over the place, different apartments. Nope, we found out is 50% of the time that it works. So it is up to you. As a delivery driver, I suggest you have one for safety reason. Also less contact point, yes. Less contact point for 50%, not 99% of this claim. Personal use, no, I'm not gonna do it. Thank you. Thank you for watching. This is what I think. What do you think? Please comment below.